I'm an addict for sneakers.
Sneaker addicts, it's your boy DJ Delz. We got Pequeno Juan in the building, and we got Nino in the building. We got a brand new package from Threadbeast. This is a subscription package that you get every single month, where you go to the website, which will be linked in the description box below, and also use code DELZ50 and you'll get some bonus clothes, which is a major key. So this is a monthly subscription where they will send you an outfit every single month, including a pair of sneakers. Pretty dope, pretty dope. You go on the site, you fill out some questions, so they have an idea of your style, and then they deliver. Last month, they definitely delivered. If you didn't see that video, I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. Really dope video. Kind of funny, too. Definitely kind of funny. So, let's check out what's inside of this box. And they're based in California. So, when you open up the box, this is what you see right here. And it comes with a card. Oh, and there's a giveaway. Free package giveaway rules. Follow Threadbeast and Real DJ Delz on Instagram. Post a photo of your package on your Instagram and tag Threadbeast and Real DJ Delz. Use the hashtag Threadbeast and TB Weekly. Get creative, and they will pick a winner every single week. Now, they sent some nice shoes, I gotta say. This is the nicest shoe I've ever seen them send. I know what it is right away because of the top of the box right there, man. That's pretty I'm impressed right off the gate. I really am. They got some shorts right here. They're kind of dope. Not mad at it. It's a close-up look at the design. Let me know what you think of them. The Diamond Supply tee. Pretty chill and plain. I'm not mad at that. I kind of like that. I don't really like a lot of logos, like crazy logos, unless it's something that I really am into. So I like this tee. I definitely will wear it. And they sent, just like last month, a pair of drawers, which you can never have enough drawers, right? So they sent some boxers. PSD. I've never owned this brand. I don't know if it's any good, but I'm sure they are. And then we got another t-shirt right here, and this is from JSLV. Never heard of the brand. It's got a cassette tape on it. What y'all know about cassette tapes? You know, when I was young, I listened to cassette tapes, man. Just crazy to think a cassette tape, a Walkman. Let me know if you were in that era. Did you ever own cassette tapes? Did you record songs off the radio with a cassette tape? Let me know that in the comment box below. And did you buy albums on cassette tape? Let me know all that in the comment box below. What was your first album you ever bought? My first album, one of the first albums I ever bought, was Guns N' Roses' Appetite for Destruction, which was such an amazing album. And after that, I also picked up the NWA album. So those were two albums that I picked up. Also, you know, another one, Public Enemy was another one. Fear of a Black Planet, classic album. So many great albums in that era, the 90s era, man, so classic. The golden era when it comes to music. But yeah, let me know some of the albums you picked up as a kid. If you haven't hit that thumbs up button, show that love. So this is what we got next. Check it out. I'm impressed, man. This is that association pack, and these are clean. Look at that leather. Check it out. So this shoe, from my understanding, is to celebrate Moses Malone. I am about 99% sure. If I am wrong, I totally apologize. This pack released earlier in the year with the Rasheed Wallaces. They came out with a Kobe, I'm pretty sure, a LeBron, just celebrating achievements. This is a great pair of kicks, and as I was just saying, the leather on them is phenomenal. on the Dubray right there, it says 1983 from, this is definitely the Moses Malone one, 1983 definitely. You got your Nike Air Force One tag. Inside you have your branding like you have on the top of the box. And on the other shoe inside, it says the association. They do also have metallic gold tips, which is always a plus, and it's actual metal. I like that. I like when they have those metal tips. And there is a look at the outsole. Check it out. As far as the fit to Air Force Ones, I like to go down half a size actually. Now when I did my subscription and filled it all out, I say, you know, that I am a size 9. So they're gonna send a size 9. They're not gonna send a size 8.5, which is fine because I've owned Air Force Ones in a size 9 and I've been fine. I just like to go down half a size because it fits exactly to my feet, and I like to avoid creasing. I hate Air Force Ones when they crease. So I will put something to protect the actual toe, one of them kind of shield things you could buy at most retailers, and it will avoid creasing. I definitely wanted a new pair of Air Force Ones, so I'm very happy to have these. I'm very, very happy to have them. Me personally, I think the lows are the best. I don't mind the mids, but I grew up on lows. I used to always buy the white on white Air Force Ones every single spring. It was like religious to buy them every single spring when I was in high school. From freshman year on, every year you'd buy at least one pair of all white Uptowns. That's what we call them in New York, Uptowns. All white Air Force Ones. You'd have to buy at least one pair, and that's when it was officially spring, when you were rocking a pair of all white Air Force Ones. A lot of New York people will know exactly what I'm speaking about. Who knows, some New York heads, it may not be like that. I don't know if it's like that nowadays with this next generation, but I grew up in the 90s, so that's how it was with me. And I'm just looking at the leather. It's really, really nice leather on them. I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very happy with this box. On the back also, you see how the Nike Air is. Check it out. It's got like a little different vibe right there, as you can see. Some are gonna like it, some are gonna hate it. It got kind of like an old school vibe to it. Let me know your thoughts on it. Do you like it like this, or do you like it when it's stitched in? Always leave honest comments. I love feedback. And honestly, when you leave comments, it actually helps me get more views, because YouTube gathers all of that information and will recommend my video to more people. So if you want to help me, leaving comments, thumbsing up the video goes so far. So please, everyone, leave a comment. If you have nothing to say, just type in "I love pizza." Or if you don't love pizza, you can write "I hate pizza." But I think most people love pizza. I've not met one person that says they hate pizza. Do you know someone that hates pizza? Oh man, I'm just having some fun here. Let me know what you think of Air Force Ones also. Are they timeless classics? Are they played out? Are they not in right now for heads that are following all that, what's in and what's not? Let me know that in the comment box below. To me, Air Force Ones will always be in. They will always be something relevant, in my opinion. That leather. These are dope right here. So I am extremely happy with this month's subscription box with Threadbeast, and I will link them in the description box below. And once again, use the code Delz50 for that extra hookup, for some extra clothes. And that's it for today's video. Shout out to Threadbeast. Awesome box. Things like this is gonna keep y'all winning right here. This was a winning box right here. Straight up winning box right here. So shout out to Threadbeast. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. We got my Sneaker Addict t-shirts. Pick one up. Also, that will be linked in the description box below too. Support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon with a brand new episode. We out. So happy he's back. Billy.
DJ Delz.
DJ Delz.
And your Benjamin. Prepare the battlefield.
Oh, master.
That's right. Delete. Delete. Delete.
DJ Delz.
Senor Benjamin, where's Vanguard 1?
He's up there watching over. He is always surveilling.
Oh, surveillance?
Yeah.
For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much last night.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
Yes, DJ Delz, absolutely wonderful.
Senor Benjamin.
Ready to a battlefield massacre.